Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Fadia Hayati Sefaya. In this video, I would like to present about my article journal entitled Students' View of Project-Based Learning on Their Engagement in Learning Report Text. PBL, or Project-Based Learning, is a methodology that is learner-centered. According Bell, defined PBL as a student-driven methodology wherein students, under the direction of teachers, engage in an authentic project, generate their own question or inquiries, and construct a project to communicate with a specific target audience. Martin and Bolliger state that a key aspect to effective learning is students' engagement, which entails building relationship between the teacher, the students, and the course itself. There are four characteristics of students' engagement. They are namely responsible learning, strategic learning, collaborative learning, and energized by learning. However, there are not any deep studies looking into how project-based learning improves senior high school students' involvement in learning report text, especially in these four areas. Therefore, the purpose of the study is to increase students' engagement in learning report text materials in senior high school. The research question of the study is, how does project-based learning evaluate students' engagement in the aspect of responsible learning, strategic learning, collaborative learning, and energized by learning? This research used a quantitative research method. The participants of this study of this research consists of 116 students from grade 10 SMA Negeri 2 Sidoarjo. Researchers used an online survey via Google Form distributed in class through a QR code. The survey included 40 statements translated into Indonesian with response on a 4-point like scale: strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. The analysis focused on the frequency and percentage of each response. Okay, finally, we are in the result and the discussion of the data. So, from the first aspect is about the responsible learning. It can be seen that many students strongly agree and agree. The results show that most students have a strong understanding of their project goals, responsibilities, and deadlines, demonstrating good engagement and ownership of their learning. However, nearly 90% of students did not consult with teachers, indicating a need for better communication and guidance seeking. Additionally, while most students understand the evaluation criteria, 11.2% lack clarity on assessment standards. Improving communication and understanding of evaluation criteria could enhance student engagement and lead to better project outcomes. The second aspect is about the strategic learning. The research finding indicate that most students strongly agree with the statement or with the aspect about strategic learning. The results show that most students demonstrate strong strategic learning skills in their group project. Actively exploring diverse and credible information sources and selecting only relevant data, which reflect good research practice and critical thinking. Their creative presentation of information further suggests effective communication skills. However, a small minority of students were less engaged or clear in their approach, indicating a need for target support to ensure consistent learning strategies across all groups. So we are in the third statement. It's about the collaborative learning. It can be seen that many students strongly agree with collaborative learning. The results show a high level of collaborative engagement among students in their group project, with most reporting effective collaboration and clearly defined roles, which contributed to successful group dynamics and project quality. A majority, 92.5%, felt comfortable in sharing ideas, fostering a creative and inclusive environment. However, some students note a lack of full collaboration and unclear roles, indicating a need for improved communication and team building to ensure consistent engagement and equitable participation across all groups. And this is the last aspect for the questionnaire. There is energized learning. The finding of study provide valuable insight into students' motivation and engagement in a PBL activity. The strong desire for a good grade and the desire for excellence suggest that both intrinsic and extrinsic factor can motivate students in such project. The high level of pride and satisfaction indicated that PBL activity was engaging and rewarding for students. The result also highlight the importance of providing students with clear goals and expectations by setting a high standard and encouraging students to strive for excellence. Teacher can foster a sense of motivation and engagement. Additionally, creating supportive and collaborative learning environment can help students feel proud of their work and develop a positive attitude toward the project. And then, so the last part, it's about the conclusion. The data reveals that students have a good understanding of their project goals, feel a sense of pride and responsibility, and are motivated to perform well. While most students consult their teacher and collaborative effectively, there are opportunities to enhance these areas for a more uniform experience across all groups. This can be achieved through structured guidance and clear role definition in group settings. So thank you for your nice attention. And then last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.